Today, we're putting two AI giants head-to-head in an epic battle. ChatGPT versus DeepSeek AI. Who's smarter? Who's faster? Who's the real game changer? Let's find out. Blast off. First, let's break it down. What do these AIs actually do? ChatGPT, your AI chatbot buddy, trained to generate text, answer questions, and even crack jokes. DeepSeek AI, a next-gen AI search engine designed to fetch the best, most accurate real-time info. ChatGPT is like your AI tutor, while DeepSeek is like your AI researcher, but which one is better? Time for the speed test. We asked both AIs, what was the first message ever sent over the internet, and when did it happen? Let's see who wins in giving immediate response. ChatGPT responded quickly and precisely, while DeepSeek took longer but provided a more accurate and detailed answer. ChatGPT wins in speed. But hold on, what about accuracy? Let's test that next. ChatGPT gives great answers, but it doesn't cite sources. DeepSeek, on the other hand, pulls data from the latest web sources, so it's more reliable for factual research. ChatGPT, creative, detailed, but can hallucinate facts. DeepSeek, real-time, fact-checked, but lacks deep conversation. So, if you want casual chat and ideas, ChatGPT wins. If you need hard facts and sources, DeepSeek wins. Now, let's see who's more creative. We asked both to write a funny joke about AI. ChatGPT, why did the AI break up with its robot girlfriend? Because she had too many bugs. DeepSeek, AI walks into a bar. Bartender says, what'll you have? AI says, whatever's trending on the web. ChatGPT wins the creativity round, but DeepSeek isn't bad at keeping it relevant. Let's talk about the limitations now. ChatGPT doesn't browse the web in real time, can sometimes generate incorrect or outdated information. No direct citations for sources, whereas DeepSeek is not as good for storytelling, creativity, or long conversations. So, who wins the AI battle? Well, it depends. Need creative writing, deep conversations, or brainstorming? Use ChatGPT. Need accurate, deep thinking, and cited information? Use DeepSeek AI. It's not about who's better, but who's better for you. Comment below. Which AI do you prefer?